The gaming industry has always been ahead of the curve in new technologies, and the introduction of AI into games is no different. The gaming industry extensively uses AI-powered systems, from constructing more immersive game worlds to enhancing existing gameplay and designing brand new game features. However, the application of AI in game production is one of the most peculiar and surprising ways in which AI influences the gaming industry. You can make a game that modifies its complexity based on your current level of expertise, or a conversation with a non-playable character who behaves like a natural person. Just a handful of the many ways AI changes the game business are listed above. The effects of AI on games, from customization to optimization and beyond, are remarkable. Keep reading to learn about the surprising and unusual ways AI is reshaping the gaming industry and what it may imply for the future of video games. Many designers, illustrators, and programmers have historically been needed to realize elaborate game environments and characters. However, thanks to AI-driven tools, game creation is accelerating, streamlining, and innovating in ways never previously possible. Generative adversarial networks are one AI-driven trend altering how video games are made. GANs, or generative adversarial networks, are AI techniques using two neural networks. The generator makes up new media like pictures and music, while the discriminator checks its authenticity. In game development, new game materials like textures, models, and animations may be produced using GANs. The time and effort spent on creating game assets may be significantly reduced in this way, freeing up more time and energy for the development team to focus on other areas of the game, such as the game's mechanics and narrative. Game-aware neural networks may also be utilized to design brand new gameplay areas. GANs may be trained on previously created game levels to produce new levels with a similar aesthetic and challenge. Giving them something novel and difficult to tackle can help maintain player interest. The use of procedural generation is another method in which AI is influencing game design. Game content like levels, characters, and objects may be generated on the fly with the help of procedural generation, a technology that employs algorithms to do so. As a result, the game may develop material on the fly in response to the player's actions, making for a richer and more interactive experience. Big, open-world games benefit significantly from procedural generation since human designers couldn't develop the necessary quantity of content by hand. Developers may make game worlds with more varied gameplay mechanics and experiences by employing AI-powered systems to produce content. Although exciting, the employment of AI in game production also raises questions about the future of human innovation in the gaming industry. Some worry that replacing human designers with AI would result in games that could be more predictable and exciting for players. In addition, developers may become increasingly reliant on AI-powered systems for content generation, raising worries about the influence of AI on jobs in the gaming business. Despite these reservations, the usage of AI in game creation is on the rise, with many studios looking into exciting new methods to incorporate AI into their workflows. The use of artificial intelligence to power NPCs, non-playable characters, is one area where the technology is gaining traction. In many games, non-playable characters serve as allies, foes, and sources of quests for the protagonist. However, conventional NPC design is constrained by the character's predetermined behaviors and decisions. However, AI-powered NPCs may learn and adjust to player actions, creating a more interesting and exciting gaming experience. Using NPCs driven by artificial intelligence allows developers to build more realistic and engaging game settings. This can make gamers feel like they are a part of the game and affect the environment around them. In addition, NPCs powered by artificial intelligence may be utilized to enrich the game for players by facilitating more meaningful and relevant interactions. For instance, an NPC powered by AI may learn the player's playstyle and tailor its actions and speech to suit the individual better. AI also impacts the gaming industry by enabling developers to implement machine learning algorithms into their games, resulting in more lifelike and immersive worlds. Algorithms that learn from enormous volumes of data, such as photographs and videos, can improve the realism of virtual worlds through machine learning. This might range from improved character motions and behaviors to more photorealistic weather effects. AI-driven systems can improve games' chances of commercial success and user happiness by making games feel more realistic and engaging. Concerns concerning the effect on game balance and fairness are also raised by employing NPCs powered by artificial intelligence. If AI-powered NPCs are made too intelligent and adaptable, gamers may feel frustrated with how difficult they are to beat. However, NPCs powered by artificial intelligence risk being unchallenging and uninteresting if they are more complex and predictable. Game designers attempt to address these issues by experimenting with various methods for creating NPCs powered by artificial intelligence, from straightforward rule-based systems to sophisticated machine learning algorithms. Developers may make interesting, challenging, and fair NPCs by balancing intellect and predictability. The use of AI for in-game analytics and optimization is another manner in which it is revolutionizing the gaming business. Collecting and analyzing information on a game's players and their behaviors inside the game is known as game analytics. This information may be utilized to fine-tune gameplay, provide a more fair difficulty curve, and boost player retention. Because of their ability to handle and analyze massive volumes of data in real time, AI-powered systems are very beneficial for game analytics. Artificial intelligence-enabled systems may learn about individual players by observing their actions and interacting with one another. Using this information, designers and programmers of video games may make better, more player-satisfying choices as they work. Game mechanics and difficulty levels can benefit from applying AI-powered systems. Game mechanics and difficulty levels may be fine-tuned based on user input and analysis of player behavior in AI-powered systems. As a result, players may have a more well-rounded and enjoyable gaming experience. However, privacy and data security issues are also raised by the usage of AI in game analytics and optimization. There's a chance players' personal information will be stolen or exploited if too much data is collected and analyzed. Game designers are responsible for safeguarding player information and using it only for intended reasons. The capacity to customize gameplay is one of AI's most significant influences on the gaming industry. AI-enabled systems may learn from player actions and preferences to customize each person's gaming experience. This may involve anything from tailor-made challenges to one-of-a-kind narratives and interactions between characters. As gamers seek even more immersive and engaging experiences, the importance of customization in the gaming business has grown. Developers may benefit from AI-driven systems by making games that keep users invested and satisfied for longer. AI is influencing the promotion and distribution of video games in new ways. AI recommendation systems may analyze a player's actions and preferences to provide suggestions they're more likely to enjoy. This has the potential to boost game sales and patron pleasure. Artificial intelligence may also be used to streamline the making of games. Automating processes like asset production and testing with AI-driven systems helps developers save time and money while making and releasing video games. This can make it easier and cheaper for game designers to build games, which might lead to more frequent game releases and a more excellent range of games. Natural language processing is another area where AI is influencing the game business. Natural language processing is an area of artificial intelligence concerned with that task. NLP may make conversations between players and NPCs more realistic and exciting in games. This has the potential to enhance the realism and immersion of future games. NLP may be utilized to develop more innovative chatbots and virtual assistants to aid and direct players. This can make game operations more efficient and cost-effective by lowering human assistance and customer care demand. AI is altering the gaming experience beyond conventional platforms. Games powered by artificial intelligence may now use VR or AR's increased immersion and interactivity. Combining artificial intelligence with VR and AR technology allows game designers to build more immersive and exciting experiences. The use of AI in video games influences all aspects of the medium. AI is revolutionizing the gaming business in previously unthinkable ways, from AI-powered content development to AI-powered NPCs and game analytics. The benefits of AI-powered systems are apparent, but there are legitimate concerns about how they may affect game development and jobs in the gaming industry. We can anticipate even more intriguing and original gaming experiences in the years to come as developers continue to explore new and unique methods to integrate artificial intelligence into their games.